All right. Let's do a quick update. We'll look at the NASDAQ 100 first, and this is the ETF, the triple Qs. In last update, I told you we were likely heading higher towards the price target right around 534, and we did hit that target, but ever since we've hit that target, we really are just chopping around in this zone now. And I do think there is the possibility for a bull trap. I think this is also a very simple market, so I'll talk about why I think the market's simple and what to look for if it is a bull trap. And it's really just going to be as simple as this level at 534. If today was a bull trap, we actually failed to break to a higher high today, so that would have been the bull trap with the close near the high. People are getting extra bullish. They think we're going to rip straight higher towards brand new all-time highs, and they're going to start buying into the market. But if indeed it was the bull trap close, then we're just going to go down very quickly towards 512, and this would have just been a lower high rejection below 534. So the bull trap is a real possibility. Keep on the lookout for it by simply knowing if price is above or below 534. If we start to see high volume impulsive selling below 534 and we start to break down here, then we are going to get that test of 522. And if we can't hold 522, we go straight down for a quick leg lower towards 512. So that's the bull trap. It is very easy to understand, and it is not confirmed until price shows a rejection here. So be on the lookout for that. And if we just continue higher above 534, then we push higher to retest the previous all-time high right around 540. 540 was the previous all-time high zone. So once we get there, if we can indeed break through it, we will hit the brand new all-time high at 544. So right now, I think the bull trap is a real possibility. It is also the lowest probability because of the bull trend, but it is something I would be on the lookout for. And it's going to be very simple to see it happening if we do indeed start to see that rejection below 534. If we don't see the rejection, then obviously don't fight the trend, because the trend is your friend until the end. And there's no reason to go against the trend if it's trying to show that it wants to go higher. Just let it go higher and participate. On the S&P 500, I was looking for the price target just above 604. We hit that price target, and just like the triple Qs, we cannot quite close above that level now. So again, the bull trap is in full effect here on SPY as well, and that will be the lower high rejection below 604, and below 604, that rejection would likely take us down towards 582. The critical test of the support, if we get a rejection below 604, will be here right around 595. And if we cannot hold 595, then we got the bulls trapped, and we're going for that next leg lower at 582. However, remember, if we're above 604 to 605, then we are going higher to retest the previous all-time high at 613. Keep it that simple and be prepared for any of these scenarios. And keep in mind, the bull trap is still a low probability until price confirms it with further rejection. So do not fight the trend if we continue to go higher. It is still a bull trend, so let the trend be your friend until the end. And then a quick check-in on our performance. We are currently up 19.61% year to date, so we are absolutely crushing this market. And you could have this same exact performance because this is my trade alert service called TSC Trade Alerts, where you get all of my buy and sell alerts for the exact percent allocations that I am trading for the T triple Q and the S triple Q. It is very simple to follow. All you need to do is match the percent allocations every time you receive an alert, and you could have the same exact performance year to date. If you're interested in joining my alert service, you can find out how to join by clicking on the link in the description of this video, as well as the comment section. So thank you for watching, everybody. Now go crush this market.